Okay, so now we're going to create our second tab, which is hot. We just created feed on the feed menu panel. So for that, this is going to be pretty easy. Let's just go to our artboard tool, or you can do it here. We just want to duplicate this one. So let's duplicate it. Just go to the menu in the layers in the artboards window and create duplicate artboards. So feed, let's change the name of this from feed to feed hot. Perfect. So we duplicated it because we're going to use the same. We're just going to change the images, and we're going to use this as a template. So let's just zoom in, and first of all, let's change the colors of the tab. So let's double click here, and this one is going to be blue. So let's just change the color here to the accent color. This one is going to be back to the dark color, and this one we're going to move it over here. So you can just shift and drag, and then move it over here. And that's it. That's perfect. So obviously we want to change the content. So you can just go ahead, double click, select this, double click again, and then edit the image and go to File, Place, and let's remember, go to your assets folder and go to the images, and let's select something different. Probably this view will help us better. This is looking good. Oh, this one, I like this photo. Let's use this photo. What do you think? Just place it and drag, and wow, and 3P effect. Wow, this is looking nice. Let's drag it around here. Just cut a little bit. It's looking nice. So now we're going to change the text. Basically, so let's go ahead and change the text here. So this one is going to be, I don't know, what do you think? Amazing hat, or mad hat hatter. Yeah, that sounds about right. This is not too expensive though. It's $24.99. So it's $24.99. And since we're selling the hat, let's move that hat. We want to see a little bit more of that hat. It's so pretty. There you go. Nice. Let's zoom out. And what do you say we actually get rid of this too? And add another one of these, you know? So it looks a little bit different than the other one. So now you have two of these components. Let's go ahead and double click here again, the same deal. Double click. We have an image. Let's delete it. Let's go to File, Place. Let's select a different one. What about this one? No, this one. This one's pretty cool. But let's reserve for something different. We're actually selling a product, so let's select this one. Yeah, I like this one. Zoom out. Let's drag. Let's put it over here. It's looking nice. Zoom in. Let's press V, and then press outside, and then press T or go type tool. Black and white sweater. This one is $26.99. Such good prices, you know. Don't have the money though. What do you say? We're actually going to make this tab only this kind of modules. this guy. Well, at least the first three. I don't know. It's up to you. Whatever you want to do. I want to keep it this way, and I'm going to change the products here. So double click until we're there. Same deal. File, place. How do you feel about this one? Yeah, let's put this one. And this is going to break the pattern that we were using before of the white background. I like it. Let's break the pattern. Rules are meant to be broken. My English is terrible. Okay, so file, place, you know the drill. You know it. Let's I don't know, I like this one. It's a little bit more I don't know, more expensive. You know? This looks like something that does not cost $64.99. This is going to cost $654.99. And this is going to be named Pretty Dress. Pretty Dress, and this is going to be Fall in Love. Yeah, I don't know what that means. You make something of it. There you go. Let's change this image real quick. Something quick. File, place. I don't know, like in this one. Let's place it there. Damn, those eyes, you know that? It's always the eyes, right? What else? So hipster hat. Skip the same products, doesn't matter. It's good. So we have our two tabs, the feed and the hot. Inside the feed button. Perfect. Congratulations to you. We have our first button ready. This is pretty cool. This is starting to look good, you know? Okay. Next, we're going to do the discover